And as you can see, it's awfully bloody big. Figured out how to have my left controller working. Figured out, push the, I can actually change the size, order, but what's really cool is I can go full size, and I can actually fly it. Not very well. Haven't figured this thing out too much, but okay. Whoa, it's me. Okay, now let's go forward a bit. Okay, now let's go up. Oh, and look, the landing gear goes down. It's huge. I'm flying a life-size helicopter now. Whoa, I got jets. Whoa, I got jets. Didn't know I had those. Well, then you just hit the grip button and it brings it right back to you. That is so cool. Now, let's see. Oh, down. And forward. And I can go right in the cockpit. So, right through into the cockpit I go. Now I get to see all the gauges, gadgets. Back there. Whatever those things are. But that's pretty cool. Stick thing. Yeah. Well, let's get out of here. All right, up we go. Big jets. Super fun. Oh, and look at that. Even leaves a smoke trail behind it. Toggle combat. Okay. Oh. Combat mode. Whoa. Haven't hit a single boom yet. I think that's because I'm too big. Oh, look at that, the missiles. Anyways, stuff playing around. Just thought I'd show you what it's like when you actually use both controllers. Oh, there's targets on the ground. Whatever that does. Oh, okay. Those are laser targets. Whoa. Hey, that's pretty cool. Target that one. Wow, there you go. Hey, that's pretty cool. Okay, enough of that though. That's fun.